Hello friends, this is the second destination at Hyderabad. This is known as Salarjung Museum. The Salarjung Museum. This museum is famous for very unique, important features which are available in Hyderabad. We are going to see, and then all the details I will give you. Phones are not allowed or mobiles are not allowed, but if you want to do shootings inside, then you have to pay 50 rupees and then you can take your mobile inside there. Let's go now inside. Now this is the journey which is started towards the museum there. I hope you can see how beautiful it is there. How beautiful. This is the fire brigade vehicle which is found of the olden time. We don't know the particular year, but yes, it is very unique. Now we are going inside. Our journey started. Check-in area. Our mobiles will be checked. Inside this museum, this is the entrance. So at the entrance, you will be having check-in. Okay, it will be crucial checking will be done. Later on, the most important thing is that when the checking will be done, you will be asked for your vaccination. Okay, it is done or not. Second thing, okay, you will be asked for your sanitizer is carried with you or not. Your mask is very important to be carried with you. Then the most important thing is that you have to carry with you the pass also. Whether you have taken the pass or not, that will be checked. As I told in prior that if you wish to enter this particular place, you have to take the ticket of 50 rupees. After taking 50 rupees ticket, you will be allowed to enter with a mobile. Later on, you can take all the sightseeings inside, but that will be the great memory for you. I'm going to take you by this video, okay, inside what things are available there. But make sure I cannot show you all the details, okay, as for the security's point of view. Thank you. This is Salarjung 3rd. Clearly mentioned that you are under CCTV surveillance. Okay, assist CISF to secure your better. You are liable to be checked. Okay, first for security reason, and don't give your mobile phone to anyone. If you found anyone suspicious, unattended, object, anything or baggage, kindly inform CISF. It is very clearly mentioned. Okay, at Salarjung Museum. So I will expect everyone to follow the rules given here. So dear friends, now we are going to have the entrance at this place. So while going inside, so I'll be giving you the details of this place. Make sure that this place is under security, and the most important, it has to be taken care a lot. This is Ali Khan. Alam Ali Khan, then Ali Zaman Khan, Said Abul Qasim, Sheikh Owaisi Quran. Something is written in Urdu here, so I cannot read this Urdu, but yes, you can see. I think the family tree might be given here. Let me check here. Nawab Salarjung III, his ancestors are, yeah, that's right. I think Nawab Salarjung III and his ancestors are given here. Portrait paintings on the ivory, 20th century India. The top left, right, okay, Haidari, Ya Khan, Sayyid. You can read all the details given in this particular. Yeah. So this beautiful area. Okay, minutely go through every place there. Okay, sometimes okay, Urdu may not be audible to you, or Urdu may not be understood, but still okay, it can be very clear to you to go through the given list to you. Yeah, the genealogy of the Salarjung Museum is given here. This is very important. You can go through. How we can understand this fabulous tree which is mentioned at this place there. Thank you. We are proceeding to the next one. Thank you. Salarjung 1. This is Sarojang first visited England in 1876 and Robini. So it is his photo. You can see that it is being here. Okay. Let them say. Hello friends, now I'm going to stop my shooting at this place because shooting is not allowed at this place. That's why some places I've shown you. So rest all you can come and see visit this place. It's a really beautiful museum. Thank you. Now dear friends, as we have finished our journey from Salarjung Museum, so we have reached at the Moti Bazaar of Hyderabad. This is the Moti Bazaar range where you can purchase pearls. So this is the pearl market. Actually the purchasing of the pearls is going on, so we are going to purchase only one of the necklaces or one of the rings, but still at Hyderabad, as it is quite famous place for the Moti Bazaar, as actually especially for the pearls, so we are here to purchase motis. Thank you.